Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make smooth slow motion video in CapCut. So for instance, I'm going to go to media and import video that I want to edit. So I already imported. Just add to the track and I'm going to split for I'm going to split and for the middle clip I'm going to make it smooth slow motion. So go to speed and select duration. You can select normal and select times. Just swipe to the left or slower and select the slow mo. So just turn on and you can select multiple flow. So you can see for the final result like this. That was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.